Okay, we're going to do a video on changing the S-cam bushings. Obviously, I've done the back axle already. Also got a new slack adjuster on that side. I only got 2 slack adjusters and I need to get 2 more. I reused this slack adjuster because of the thingamajig on there. The what do you call them? That bracket. I still need to grease it, and what I'm going to do now is the front axle. So I'm going to get everything set up, and that's what we'll do. Here's what I'm using. Got it from Fleet Pride. Made in China. It's just a tube with the brackets, washers, whole 9 yards. I don't know what your trailer, there's a couple different kinds, but this is what mine takes. It's a pretty simple job. We're going to do the front axle and show you how to determine if you need a camshaft or S-cam bushings. Okay, we're on the front axle now. Here's how you tell if your your S-cams are wore out. Release the brakes for one. Make sure they're not locked. You got a little play here. Push up on the bottom. You'll see back in here that there's play. And it's hard to do it on the other side. It's pretty tight. I should have got a dang, let me go get one. You see the tab is missing up on this one, so I'm going to replace this. The tab is there, so I need to go get that because that's up in the garage. But I'm going to do this side first and then I'll do the other ones, but that's just to show how to test. You can do it with the wheels on. I took the wheels off. It's easier for me to replace it and get it all back together. But first thing to do is we'll pull this cotter pin, pull this back, get the arm out the way, pull all this stuff off. You need snap ring pliers. Pull this snap ring off right there, but we'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, it's a little dark. Then I'm in the way. Put new cotter pins. And you put it back together. And anti-seize, because this is seized up. snap ring, 3 washers. All this comes new in the kit. That's all there is to it, to replacing a slack adjuster. I'm going to save this one because where I put it, I don't want to get it all dirty. I'll stick it up here. Then you got another washer. There's another snap ring in here, and it's a bigger one, so you can't mix them up. Now you can get the drum off. Next, you want to pull 9/16. You get all new stuff here, so you don't need to reuse any of it. And it slides right off. Get a little more light. This was just on, and it just fits in here. You can see how much it goes in there. Fits flush, and then comes right off. Let's go put the other one together, because you got to beat the crap out of these to get them on. Got a little further to go. I'm just putting them on here and tapping on them. So we'll see if we can't make it look halfway decent. A little more. Now, how's that look? Yep, now we can put it back. Of course, I see it up there. Last time I took the shoes off, just easier. I guess I don't have to do it this time, huh? Almost. There we go. Almost. What the heck? should have brought my dang screwdriver, and it's out there. It's still not lined up, which two of the holes. This plate's slotted, so there's too much movement. They should have just had, there we go. They should have just had holes. Would have been easier. Alright, well, where'd that slack industrial go? Alright. So we got a big washer. These come with new plates. These go between the S-cam itself and the axle housing piece here, but since I didn't pull all this apart, I'm not using it. All right, snap ring washers. There's supposed to be a little plastic bushing in there, but it's missing. But that's all right. I'll replace this another time because I don't have one. stack of washers, new snap ring, it'd be a good idea to put new on slacks. I'll have to get one, but you see it. Basically, you just what I'm doing here, same thing. Don't pay a shop to do it. Just get a set of snap ring pliers. You can get them at any auto parts store. Pop the snap ring off. You're good. All right, now, dang it. Oh, there it is. All right, I gotta go get a cotter pin. I have to go find them. I got a whole bag of them. Put some anti-seize on here. Also, we're gonna need to do a little bit of adjustment to get that. But I want to put the drum back on first. So let's go do that. All right, got a new cotter pin. Always use anti-seize. You don't need much. Yeah. What's that? Let's see. There you go. Now we need to adjust it. They say don't use an impact. Just don't get carried away. All right, if you don't know about the true balance, can you see it? This is two-piece dual wheels for both aluminum. It centers the inner wheel and the outer wheel. Now it says does not center the brake drum. But when you run these in, it goes in through the drum. Depending on the drum. Some drums, these openings are very small. They just barely fit over the studs. So it could just be the type of brake drum you got. Now you put the inner wheel on, and then it centers up over these. And then with the outer wheel, you put the others, which we'll get to here in just a bit. I don't know where I can set this up. A lot of people like to keep the valve stems at 180 degrees. It doesn't really matter, but I try to keep it. If you had those cat eyes or the tire things that air them up, you'd want to keep them apart. Here's the other one. The same thing, but it's got like a washer on the end. These are handy. Light bar lens. Good for carrying stuff. Well, there you go. Do the other side and it's complete. So anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and it's time for cleanup now. Yeah, like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd appreciate it.